Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're going to do a quick video today. It's an easy video. I've never made this before, but it looks easy enough, and I'm actually going to utilize this for two videos. There's a southern classic called Pimento Cheese. I'm going to make that, and that's just merely a spread, but the following video is going to be something special that I thought would go great. But for now, just pimento cheese, and this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese. You're going to need one of these 4 ounces of pimentos. This is sliced. They didn't have the dice, so we're going to have to slice this up. I'm going to add a little heat by adding some jalapenos. We're going to get rid of the seeds though. But we're also going to need 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and I want to add some smokiness to it, so I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a cup of mayonnaise. So what we're going to do is, this has been sitting out. You want this nice and soft. We're gonna cream together these two, and we're going to make it nice and silky smooth with a hand blender. So we'll start with a spatula and work this together a little bit with the mayonnaise, and then we'll use the hand blender. Start off on low. Okay. Now let's add our dry ingredients. All right, we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna cut these up. Now, again, you want these extremely fine. You want them when you dice them. We can strain it. And I'm just gonna do that. So you get the idea. If you already buy these diced up, then you don't have to worry about this. So let me get these chopped up, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I've got this all mashed up, diced up. I'm going to put that in the mayonnaise and cream cheese mixture. Now I'm going to take the jalapeno. You might want to use gloves. I don't feel like getting gloves. But this is, I'm going to take the seeds out. This way it won't be so spicy. All right. And now we're going to cut these into little strips and then dice these. And again, you want these extremely fine. That in there. That's going in the bowl. And now your cheddar. Put your cheddar in there. And just fold everything together. Now, I've never had this before, and I'm assuming that you want this to sit for a couple hours in the fridge before you do anything with it. And again, this could be used for grilled cheese sandwiches. This could be used to make, just use this on a sandwich. But I've got a special use I wanna try, and you'll have to tune back for that. All right, got a cracker here. I'm gonna put a little bit on a cracker. Let's see how this tastes. That's an interesting taste. I actually taste bacon when there's no bacon in it. Maybe it's the smokiness of the smoked paprika that I put in there. So anyway, if you want to see what I'm going to use this for, you're going to have to stop back for my next video. For now, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.